Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload audio to Roblox, step by step. Whether it's music, a sound effect, or voice, I'll make it super easy to follow. Let's get into it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to use it in a game. To get started, go to the top and press Create. Now go to the left and you can press Creations, and go to the top and press Development Items. Here you can press Audio and you want to go and press Upload Asset. Press Upload and you can go and select the file and press Open. Give it a name and a description and press Upload. When it's finished, you should be brought back here. If you can't see it, refresh the page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.